Welcome to Truxo. Enter your mobile number to get started. Enter the verification code. Truxo needs location access to track your loads and provide accurate updates. Tap Allow to enable location services. For continuous tracking, enable background location access. Review the privacy policy and tap Agree to continue. Enable notifications to receive load updates and important alerts. You're all set. Let's get started with Truxo. When a new load is assigned, you'll receive a notification. Tap to open it. You'll see the load in your Upcoming Loads tab with all the essential details. Tap Accept Load to confirm. The load status changes from assigned to accepted and moves to your active loads. Need to communicate with dispatch? Tap the group chat icon. Send messages, share photos, and get real-time updates about your loads. Access your legal documents anytime by tapping Legal Documents. Here you'll find trucks and trailers docs, insurances, cab card, and trailer registration. Tap View Details to see complete load information. Truxo offers 3 ways to manage your load process. Let's start with the manual flow. When you arrive at the pickup location, tap Check In at Pickup. After loading is complete, tap Check Out from Pickup. The load status updates to In Transit. At delivery, tap Check In at Delivery. After unloading, tap Complete Trip to finish. The load moves to Past Loads. For the second method, check in manually first. After loading, upload your BOL. Tap Upload BOL and capture the document. The system automatically checks you out, and the load status updates to In Transit. At delivery, tap Check In at Delivery. After unloading, upload your POD. The system automatically checks you out and completes the trip. For the fastest method, simply upload your documents. At pickup, tap Upload BOL and capture the document. The system automatically checks you in and out. The load status updates to In Transit. At delivery, tap Upload POD and capture the signed document. The system automatically checks you in, checks you out, and completes the trip, all with just one action per location. All your completed loads are stored in Past Loads. You can review trip history, view uploaded documents, and access past delivery details. Customize your experience by switching between light and dark themes in the settings. Update your profile with your name, email address, and profile picture in the Edit Profile section. That's Truxo. Simple, efficient, connected.